Gavin, not you again. What do you want from us now?
Well, Chloe, I have a special gift to give to your white triplet Sophia right next to you.
Oh really? What kind of gift you got for me?
A glass bowl is getting thrown at your head, you piece of shit.
Wait, no. Ow, 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 ow. My head. It's bleeding. What? Holy smokes. Sophia, are you okay? No, I am not okay. Gavin threw a glass bowl right in my head. It really hurts. It's okay, Sophia. Just calm down. Oh God, I can't believe that Gavin would do that to Sophia.
Look at this little brat crying in pain. This is what you get for pulling the stupid prank on me. This is what happens when you mess with the wrong grizzly bear gang member. Sophia and cause her to get a blood injury. Now that is the second time that you threw a glass object at someone. First you did that to Lane, and now you did that to Sophia. You are totally a sick freak. That's freaking it. I'm calling the police to arrest you. Do not move a single muscle.
What did I say about saying that stuff when I come?
Who are you?
I'm Ryan, one of the grizzly bears.
Lily, Asa, and Evelyn, y'all need to watch out for the grizzly bears. This gang is led by Brian Cuddles, and it's a gang of evil troublemakers. Oh no. That sounds terrible. Trust me, it is. Jake once killed Penelope with a gun, and then recently Roderick Andrews did the same thing to me. But thankfully, Rachel revived both of us. And she had already revived Penelope before Roderick killed me. What do you want now, Ryan and Jack?
Well, we just wanted to do this.
Dumbbells? What could Penelope and Molly possibly need with those dumbbells?
There's lots of things you can do with a dumbbell.
Really hurts. My foot hurts so bad. Somebody call 911. You have got to be kidding me. Ryan and Jack, I can't believe you. How freaking dare you throw dumbbells on Penelope and Molly's feet? Now look, Penelope and Molly are crying because they are in a lot of pain. I agree with Lily and Issa. You're evil. That is so freaking it. I am so calling the cops to have you arrested. And while I'm at it, I also need to call an ambulance to get Penelope and Molly to the hospital.
Oh shoot! Ryan, let's get out of here.
None. You're not getting away with this.
911, what's your emergency?
Yes, I need police and medics at Slackers Bay Park. These two men named Ryan Mutter and Jack Parker decided to throw dumbbells on my BFF Penelope and her sister Molly's feet, and now they are in pain.
Alright, we'll get police out to the park to arrest those two men for hurting those two girls, and we'll get an ambulance there to help the two girls get to the hospital. Thank you for reporting this emergency.
Thank you.
And I am going to put green strawberries in Millie's smoothie.
No. Please don't poison me with green strawberries. I don't want to die from it again.
Well, too bad. I'm going to mix these green strawberries in with your smoothie anyway.
Don't even think about poisoning my twin sister with green strawberries. That's right, I am. You boys need to back away from my twin sister and drop those green strawberries.
Guys, let's run.
Oh, Molly, I was so scared. Thank you for rescuing me. Anytime, sis. See, I told you that I would protect you from Brian, Joseph, Alan, Dan Sobel, Ben Lucero, Arthur, and Larry Loud. Since Brian disregarded his restraining order, I'm calling the police to have him arrested. And since Joseph threatened to poison you, I will be calling his parents to take care of it. Okay. Mommy, help.
Whoa, Molly, what happened?
It's Millie. She's traumatized from Joseph threatening to poison her with green strawberries.
Oh my gosh, that's bad. Don't worry, Molly. Let's go comfort Millie together. It's okay, Millie. We're right here for you.
Don't cry, Millie. I will always protect you from Brian and Joseph. Thank you, Mommy and Molly. That makes me feel better. Anytime, sis.
You're welcome, sweetheart. We will get you to a therapist soon.
Okay.
If you girls need anything, just let me know, okay?
Okay, Mommy. Okay, Mommy.
I just want him to shoot me to death with my AK-47.
No. Please, Brian. Please don't shoot me to death with your AK-47. Please. I've already died if you've given me some green strawberries. I don't want to be dead again.
Begging me to not kill you with my AK-47 is not going to make me change my mind. Now it's time for you to die. And if you think about calling your stupid twin sister Molly, she ain't coming to help you.
Stay away from my twin sister, Brian.
Wait, what the? Ouch.
Trying to kill my twin sister, huh? Well, not on my watch. Oh, Molly, I was so scared. Thank you for rescuing me. Anytime. See, Millie, I told you I'd protect you from Brian. And since Brian has violated that restraining order that Mommy has, I'm going to call the police to arrest him.
What's up, you loser girls?
Hey, Calvin, don't call us that. Yeah, I agree with Penelope. Now tell us why you're here. Also, I hope you aren't trying to hurt any of us.
No. I'm not here to cause any trouble. I got a little something for Everly.
Oh, really? What is it?